What is up, beautiful babes? Hello and welcome into the channel. Y'all, I'm just spritzing my favorite by the clone. This is Rouge Veil number 13, and it is inspired by Baccarat Rouge. Yes, darling. Oh my gosh, I can't get enough. I can't get enough. What? Y'all, check this out on the clone. I'm going to have my link below along with a discount code for you, girl, for you, so you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars for smelling good, because you know we love that. Okay, y'all, today what am I doing? I don't even know, girl. I don't even know, but all I know is that your girl need to organize everything all the time. Organization is everything. The back of me right here, y'all, girl, look, it ain't right. It ain't right. It's right, but it ain't the right color. I am really thinking about converting that background to a white. Okay, my husband did a fantabulous job. I did say fantabulous, darling. Yes, I did. You can clone that if you want to. You can. If you want to use it, you can. Listen, I have really thought about brightening it up in here, and I really think that's what I need. So one of these days, I'm going to get up and I'm going to paint this white. You know, it just takes a lot of work getting all the bags down and, you know, painting, letting it dry, setting it back up. But we're going to do that. I am really proud of myself about one thing I did organize, which was my skincare. And today is Thursday, so we're going to talk about what's in my Thursday skincare basket and what I do. But let me just show you my skincare. Okay, I'm looking at it because it's looking back at me. Okay. Yeah, I was proud of me when I organized my skincare baskets. And like I said, today is Thursday, so this is Thursday's basket. I had on the label because I don't know them by heart. I'm just going to tell you the truth. But I tell you one thing that it did. I had so many skincare products. They were all beneficial to me, but I wasn't going through them and using them like I should. So these baskets really helped me to do that. So let's just talk about Thursday and what we have in the Thursday basket. You see all the other ones back here, but don't pay them no attention. Just pretend like you just focus here with me on Thursday. Okay, we're on Thursday. Got that? All right. My Thursday skincare routine. I'm just going to go through the products and let you know whether I use it day or night. So we always cleanse the face. I love a gentle cleanser, and throughout, I don't know, the last several years, you will have heard me talk about the Face Shop. The Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. This is my girl. This is my girl. I may use other face washes, but this one is a staple in my skincare routine without a doubt. Love it. It's super creamy. Of course, that's super messy, but you know, I use these items. I do. So, face cleanser. This day and night. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay. I also use a hydrating mist. The bottles here, you may see a few of these around. I get these off of Amazon. And y'all, this is only like rose water or rose hydrosol in here. Okay. One of the best hydrating mists you can use. Or some people use it to tone their skin. It is actually rose water in here. I'm hoping I said rose water, but rose water. I just always shake things up a little bit before using, because yeah, this is actual rose water. Okay, so that's that. Now let's talk about a moisturizer that I love to use. This moisturizer here, I actually use it during the day. It does have ceramides in it. It's from Good Molecules. It is a very nourishing, creamy formula that I love. Again, it has the ceramides in it. It really does help to soften and, I say, replenish the skin barrier. So this one is a good one here if you're looking for a great moisturizer. Now, in the basket as well, I have a ceramide moisturizer, a rice ceramide. This is by the Face Shop as well. Y'all, this one is very nice after you do your skincare at night. I love using it more or less at night. And likewise with the Good Molecules, these both have ceramides in it. Y'all, ceramides are so good for the skin. It really helps to soften the skin and just make it feel just hydrated. Love that so much. And babes, you already know this, but I keep repeating myself over and over again. One of the staples that you cannot go without is a sunscreen. This is the Tallow Sunscreen by Duracell, and it is an SPF of 50, but again, it is a grass-fed and tallow sunscreen. It's infused with zinc oxide and jojoba oil. You can see that I've loved it. I've loved it for a while. I did get it off of Amazon. It is very, very, very nice now. It may leave a little white cast. Y'all already know how sunscreens are. But for the most part, you know, it fades away. It does. And it will definitely help you out in the sun. You need sunscreen. That's the one thing. If you don't use anything else in here, use some sunscreen. Baby, yeah, you'll need that. Let's get into, and of course that's daytime. Sunscreen is the daytime. Y'all already know that. Let's get into some of these things right here, like vitamin C. I have a couple of these. I use the vitamin C during the day. This one is Lily Anna Naturals vitamin C serum. This one, I love it. It does have hyaluronic acid in it as well. I'm trying to make sure I focus here. Okay. But it has the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it. I love it. I also have another one in here, which is by the Equal Berry brand. This is the Glow Filter Vitamin Illuminating Serum, but this is a vitamin C serum as well. I do in fact love it so much. It is almost gone, y'all. I'm working on that one as well as the other one. I use my products now since I've organized, yes, my life. I use them. And now something I use, usually this is a nighttime kind of thing, is this rice ceramide toner. Pairs beautifully with the Face Shop rice ceramide moisturizer. As you can see, we try to keep like brands together. I feel that they work better together if you do that. Not all the time can I or have I, but you know, we try to stick with the brands that make certain products because I feel that they have been formulated to work best together. This is a moisturizing toner. I love it. Again, it's a nighttime kind of thing. I am going to publish Thursday's actual skincare lineup, and I will list products in the order that I use them for your benefit so that you can have my lineup and what I use and the links to go with it. These are affiliate links. Y'all already know. I don't have to tell you that over and over again, but this is the moisturizing toner I use on Thursdays, babes. Now listen, I do have an item back here that I want to mention. Anytime that you need like a hydrating serum, this one by Basiol, the Hydra Sika serum is great. It is definitely hydrating and will work for you for a hydrating serum. Of course, it has ceramides in it. This is an anti-wrinkle formula. It is also fragrance free. So this is a great one. I think they still have this on Amazon. So check it out there. And Thursdays, most importantly here, let me tell you, it's retinol night. So I have plenty of retinol, however you want to do it. Let's talk first about these Lily Anna Naturals. I have two in here because this one is pretty much gone. And this one, I've broken through both of them, but I think I would take one with me when I was traveling or whatever. But these are some great retinol creams. They're not too potent. Now with retinol, I'll just tell you this, I don't use it on my neck and chest. After a while, your skin just kind of develops a sensitivity to it on the neck and chest area, and this is for most people. And I just can't deal with the itchiness feeling of it, so I only stick to my face. What I do generally is I'll go ahead and put on my creams, like a moisturizer on my neck and chest first to give that extra coating, and then I'll go in with my retinol for my face, just in case. You know, products transfer. They transfer by movement. They transfer by you accidentally touching your face and then touching your neck and chest. So, okay, retinol Thursdays, baby. That's what it is. I have lots of retinol here that we're going to talk about. That's Lily Anna Naturals. I also have a retinol cream from the Good Molecules. And again, retinol is great for softening the appearance of fine lines, and it helps your skin to look firmer. As I aged, and of course we all do, I notice I do have some sagging. I do have, more fine lines that have developed. There are some creases and wrinkles and folds that's going to come about. We cannot deny the fact that we're going to age, but we can help to nourish our skin. Mature skin needs moisture. Mature skin needs hydration. Mature skin needs help. And I'm here to help mine, and I hope you are too. But this one is a great one. I love it. I did get a PR package from the Good Molecules, and I'm so thankful for it that I did get some of the Good Molecule products that I've been loving for sure. Okay, retinol cream, and it's Retinol Thursday. And we do also have from Bay Body their collagen retinol and snail mucin moisturizer. Great for nighttime. This is great for nighttime. Retinol is a nighttime thing, okay? Just to let you know. I use this as well. Hey, sometimes I mix them all up, girl. Can't get enough of it. Can't get enough of it. I'm just going to tell you. Might not be doing it the right way, but girl, we're going to get it done. I also have a Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Retinol Serum. This was just a sample, and girl, I cannot afford to get the full size one, so I'm just sparingly using this one, and I will use it up, and that'll be the end of this. You will probably never see it in my skincare routine unless Dermalogica says, girl, we're gonna help you out. We're gonna send you our Dynamic Skin Retinol Serum. That's all I gotta say. No more of that after that's done. And I also have a Laneige Retinol Firming Cream Treatment. I have not tried this one yet. I will actually get to it probably in the next couple of weeks. I will be breaking this open because once I use it, I'll probably just use it up, and that'll be the end of that. Unless they say, girl, we're going to send you our Laneige Retinol Firming Cream. Again, for fine lines, to help your skin look firmer, and also for those under eye wrinkles and smile lines. This is great for it, okay? But this is the Thursday skincare setup, y'all. This is what's in that basket. So you know what I'm doing on Thursdays, okay? Yeah, now you know. Now you know. But babes, that's all I have today. I will be popping in frequently over here. When you own this YouTube thing, you got to stay on your grind. So we're going to be going through products. I'll be letting y'all know day by day what I'm working with and what I'm using. I also have to get to my makeup as well because I've got some things I've had forever. And y'all, one of the age-old questions has been, does makeup actually expire? Does it really? Y'all, I'm really thinking it's just a brand thing that will tell you that your makeup is done with. I have makeup, I know, lipsticks, I'm pretty sure, eyeshadows that I've had forever, blushes, but because I use them so infrequently, I feel that they're fine. A lot of times I will kind of wipe away or scrape away the top of shadows and blushes and bronzers to get to the portion I have not gotten into, just in case there is a problem. But I keep a lot of stuff, I don't buy makeup that often. Biggest thing I pick up is lip gloss. I go through lip gloss because I'm constantly keeping these lips moisturized, okay? But lipsticks and things like that, I will kind of wipe away the top of them and continue to use them. So we're going to talk about some of the makeups as well. Some of the makeup as well. But anywho, that's all I have. And I will see y'all in the next one. I will, right? Y'all be good. Girl, be good. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one, okay? Bye now.